If you're a minimal deep tech producer struggling to build drum grooves, then you need to watch this. In 10 minutes, I'm going to show you that you can make top tier professional sounding drums all in under 10 minutes. And 3, 2, 1, go. And I'm going to leave the timer there as well so you can see the minutes going down. As someone said on another video, well, I can't see the timer, so you may be lying. What I say to them is, right, let's get going. First thing we're going to put in, kick. Always start with your kick. We're going to look for something short, snappy, and tight for the minimal deep tech genre. Close, but I think we can find better. That one's perfect. I'm also then going to duplicate this. And I'm going to duplicate the clip. Deactivate these notes. And I'm going to use this second kick just below it to bounce off and make a bit of a kick rhythm. And I'm going to keep it simple like that. I don't even want it over 2 bars anymore. So bring that down. And I'm going to put my groove on this like so. And then on the timing of your groove pool, you're going to drop this down to 40%. If that doesn't show on your Ableton, go there, open groove pool, boom, problem solved. Right, kicks in, onto claps. So I'm going to put in my standard clap just to get things going. That one's cool, like it, it's got a nice splat to it. I'm then going to duplicate this channel. And I'm going to add in a clap for variation. Something like that will do. And I'm going to duplicate this again. And I'm going to put in a clap for some form of groove. In fact, I'm not even going to use the Jan clip ones. I'm going to use the Creature Clap Small. And if you're wondering how am I doing this so quick, it is all because of drum racks. If you want to know more about drum racks, then you need to go and watch the video that's going to be recommended at the end of this video. Right, I'm going to keep things moving because I have 6 minutes 50. Going to put the swing on. Turn it down. Duplicate. And duplicate again. Get rid of those. Get rid of that one. Keep that one there. And like that. Cool. Not a fan of that one there, so I'm going to move that one back to there. And then over here, I'm going to go duplicate again. And I'm going to put a little clap bill on the end. Cool, right, that's my claps in. Next, I'm going to add in a reverb or delay clap, or some kind of variation. Something like this. I'm going to start with reverb. Something like that will do the trick. I'm going to go duplicate and duplicate again. Delete those ones. Delete those. Then I'm going to drop the dry wet and drop the K. That will do. That will do. Then I'm going to go duplicate again. And I'm going to get rid of this delay. Sorry, the reverb. And I'm going to go delay. And then I'm going to turn sync, and then I'm going to go to the milliseconds, get a tape delay effect, and then I'm going to go ping pong. Then I am going to press play on the clip, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this one here. So now we're spanning over 8. I'm going to delete that one on the 8 and then go back to my reverb one. I'm going to do the same, duplicate, and I'm going to delete that one off the 4. Cool. Right, that's my claps in. Not going to fuck around with it anymore. Oh, probably shouldn't swear for monetization. Never mind. Right, closed hi-hats. This is where the things get going. Do. Let's get a closed hi-hat in on the offbeat. I have about 4 minutes. You're going to see how quickly this will come together. Okay, main closed hi-hat in, done. I'm then going to go 2-step. I like that one quite a lot, so then I'm going to go duplicate. Duplicate out. Put swing on it. Duplicate for some variation, and I'm going to put another little hi-hat there. Cool. Right, duplicate again. I have 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I'm going to go in with a 16th loop. Drop velocities. Change hi-hat. And then I'm going to get a layer in on my closed hi-hats. Happy with that. Right, I have got 2.5 minutes. So open hi-hat, go across. Like the sound of this one, that will help pick up the energy quite a lot. And I'm going to duplicate this because I know there's another nice hi-hat in here somewhere. Press play. I'm going to use the same MIDI clip. And I'm going to go into the sound itself, find it, this one here, and shorten the clip. Then I'm going to go onto the clip, duplicate, and I'm going to put some groove notes in. Swing. Cool, right, I have a couple more minutes left, which is fine. I'm going to add maybe some extra little hi-hats in for some random shuffle. Loop that. I'm going to move that over there, and then I'm going to put my swing, and I'm going to drop this down in velocity. I'm going to get an 808 core. We're going to move this onto a MIDI channel. I have 40 seconds left, and I just need this and a top loop, and then we will be done. Come on, Ableton, don't freeze on me. Oh, is this the ring of death? Right, duplicate. Go. Top loop. Fuck it, that one will do. Audio. Come on. In. Time, 10 minutes on the dot, and me chatting waffle in between, and this is what you end up with. There you go. Drums do not need to be overcomplicated in the minimal tech genre. If you want to learn all the technique that I use to be able to make this drum groove so quickly, then go and watch this video somewhere over there. And if you want to use the samples and drum racks that I've used, you can also join the free community down below. Anyways, I'll catch you in another video very soon.